Thank you. All right.
Arlene, you really know what to do, you know.
So we have a nice tray of nut cake.
Knowing me, so I might have burned the sugar, for sure. Hello my foodies and welcome to How To Foodie Nation. Today we'll be making nut cake with the marvelous Arlene and myself, the assistant and the mixer, Natalie.
Yes, so there are very simple steps to making nut cake.
Okay.
But the most important flavor that people look for is the ginger.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
So there's a lot of ginger in nut cake. Right? So we have some water. First, we're going to boil water and ginger for 5 minutes to make sure that that ginger flavor, and it's a lot of ginger. Right, just give this a little stir and we boil this for 5 minutes and then we add the rest of the nut cake ingredients.
Okay.
All right?
Yes. Arlene, so we put bubbling.
Yes, so we have that nice ginger smell and flavor. You see the color of the water is different as well.
Yes.
So you know it's well incorporated here and it will go through our snack. You know, this is one of the things that people ask you to buy when you come to Tobago.
Yes, another snack I asked you to brought, but I said, no, you're going to teach me.
Yes, we have to be independent and make our own snacks, right? Like our grandmothers used to.
Yes.
So here I have some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and some cardamom. Great. So that goes in. Give it a little stir.
I can't stress enough that Arlene is from Tobago, so this is very, very authentic, premium snacks that you'll ask for, like if Trinidad doesn't have it.
They have it in Trinidad?
Yes,
I
in
never
the
see
grocery.
it. Oh, okay, well.
But it's not Tobago love in it.
Yes, it's not made the same way you think.
I just feel like because it have a tag Tobago, it's more premium.
Right, so now we have our, I use unsalted peanuts.
Okay.
This is a sweet, but I think if you use salted, you get that nice play of salt and sweet. That's always a good idea, but I just use the unsalted.
Okay.
Right? And then
Yes.
finally, our sugar. And this you have to cook nice, kind of medium to low heat, more on the low side, I will say. And this will simmer down and it will become very thick and sticky.
Okay.
And then we pour it onto our baking sheet. And let it cool, and then you have a snack.
But what about this?
This
essence?
goes in closer to the end.
Ah,
So
okay.
we have a little vanilla that will go closer to the end of
Okay.
of the cooking process. Right, so we're gonna let this cook down, reduce, become sticky. The peanuts are gonna absorb all that ginger flavor. And yeah, we have our snacks in a few.
Oh, okay.
All right, so we
That's
let
quite
this.
simple-ish. Once you don't burn the pot.
Yes, don't walk away from it.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
So let's let that cook up.
Okay, I seen it bubbling, Arlene. It looks like it's almost there.
Right, and it's completely reduced. You're not seeing a lot of liquid. So now we add our vanilla essence.
I don't know why I was being pushy before and trying to rush the process.
Right, so I just added down to the end. We have a buttered pan,
Okay.
and we just have to spoon it into the little lumps that we know. All right, so this part you have to be real efficient because you want to make sure and catches. Of course, a good way to tell is not just the reduction, but the nuts must all be holding together.
Okay.
They must be hugging up on each other. Come from here. And this could also be quite messy.
I see that.
Yes. And you make your little
Lumps.
lumps. I mean, you could get a little fancy and make molds and things, eh? But you know, we're trying to
No,
give
but
it
this is
the traditional look for today. All right. So once we spoon this on, we let everything cool, and then you have your school snack, as it were.
Looks delicious. Smells delicious.
Thank you. All right.
Arlene, you really know what to do, you know.
So we have a nice tray of nut cake.
Knowing me, so I might have burned the sugar, for sure.
This is something that takes a little practice too, eh?
Yeah.
Just make a little bit on the weekend and, you know, We have space? Yes, we have a little space here.
Can make this one a little
Okay, let's see, Anita, this is a two-man job. And make sure that we get the right sizes and everything. Yeah.
Looks great.
Let's stop at this one. Right, so we let this cool. And then we will have to try our snack.
Great. Oh gosh, Arlene, I have a bit of a sweet tooth and I know I'm rushing to dive into this, guys, so it isn't fully.
You don't want to wait until it cools, so we're going to taste it while it's still a little warm. By all means, by all means.
Okay. Deliciousness. I know this is what y'all been always asking from Tobago. So now you have the recipe. Please practice, try, comment. Let me know if you get it to perfection, if you burnt it, if you undercooked it. Be truthful to us because we want to know. Make sure to like, subscribe. Arlene, thank you so very much.
You're very welcome anytime.
And guys, we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.